Please watch the whole video. If you find the video informative, please provide the feedback in the comment box, click the like icon, and subscribe the channel for more educational videos. Benefits of the world running on solar energy. 1. Environmental impact. Reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. Solar energy is a clean, renewable source of energy that produces no greenhouse gases during operation, significantly reducing the carbon footprint compared to fossil fuels. Reduction in air pollution. Unlike coal and gas plants, solar energy does not produce harmful air pollutants, improving air quality and public health. 2. Energy independence. Reduction in reliance on fossil fuels. Solar energy reduces dependence on finite fossil fuel resources, promoting energy security. Distributed generation. Solar energy can be generated locally, reducing the need for long-distance energy transportation and associated losses. 3. Economic benefits. Job creation. The solar industry creates jobs in manufacturing, installation, maintenance, and research. Stable energy prices. Solar energy reduces exposure to volatile fossil fuel prices, leading to more stable energy costs. 4. Sustainability. Renewable resource. Solar energy is abundant and will be available as long as the sun exists, making it a long-term sustainable energy solution. Hurdles in supplying solar energy. 1. Intermittency. Solar variability. Solar energy generation is dependent on sunlight, which varies with weather conditions and is not available at night. This intermittency requires effective energy storage solutions or backup power systems. 2. Energy storage. Need for storage systems. To ensure a reliable supply of solar energy, efficient and cost-effective energy storage systems, such as batteries, are essential to store excess energy generated during sunny periods for use during cloudy periods or at night. 3. Initial costs. High upfront costs. The installation of solar panels and associated systems can be expensive, although prices have been decreasing and financial incentives are available in many regions. 4. Space requirements. Large areas. Needed. Large-scale solar farms require significant land area, which can be a limitation in densely populated or land-scarce regions. 5. Grid integration. Infrastructure. Upgrades. Existing electrical grids may need upgrades to handle the distributed and variable nature of solar energy. Regulatory challenges. Ensuring proper regulations and policies to facilitate the integration of solar energy into the grid can be complex. Lifespan of solar panels. Typical lifespan. Solar panels typically have a lifespan of 25 to 30 years. Efficiency. Decline. Over time, solar panels experience a gradual decline in efficiency, losing about 0.5 to 1% of their efficiency per year. Warranties. Most solar panels come with warranties that guarantee performance, typically for 20-25 years. Benefits of using solar energy individually on a grid system versus large-scale solar farms. 1. Individual use, distributed solar energy systems. Reduced transmission losses. Energy generated and used locally reduces losses associated with long-distance electricity transmission. Energy independence. Individuals and businesses can achieve greater energy independence and potentially lower energy bills. Scalability. Systems can be scaled according to individual needs and budget. Reduced grid load. Distributed generation can alleviate stress on the central grid, particularly during peak demand times. Resilience. Individual systems can provide power during grid outages, enhancing resilience. 2. Large-scale solar farms. Economies of scale. Large-scale installations can benefit from economies of scale, reducing the cost per unit of electricity generated. Centralized management. Easier to manage and maintain compared to numerous small installations. Land use. Optimization. Large solar farms can be located in optimal locations for sunlight exposure, maximizing efficiency. Significant energy contribution, capable of generating large amounts of electricity, contributing significantly to the overall energy mix. Conclusion. Solar energy offers numerous benefits, including environmental sustainability, energy independence, and economic opportunities. However, challenges such as intermittency, storage needs, high initial costs, and space requirements need to be addressed. The choice between individual grid-tied solar systems and large-scale solar farms depends on various factors, including economic considerations, energy needs, and regional characteristics. Both approaches have their advantages and can complement each other to create a robust and sustainable energy system. Thanks for watching the video.